Coming to you from a secret desert location, it's Congoleum Corner, featuring Congoleum's National Installation Specialist and CFI Resilient Certifier, Joe Sia.
And this is a 1/4-inch piece of underlayment. This piece of underlayment is going to be used to install some full spread Congoleum products. Now, how do I know it's the right panel for the right job? Well, simply put, if you have a single layer substrate, OSB for example, we're going to have to cover that with a suitable underlayment for the application of full spread. 1/4-inch plywood, usually birch or poplar, even some manufactured products like particle board actually can be used for this. Now, what is the criteria? Okay, number one, is the product actually made to be used as an underlayment under vinyl floor covering? Number two, does the manufacturer have a complete set of instructions on how to install that? And number three, is there a warranty that covers those instructions? In other words, is it warranted for the use under resilient floor covering? Why is that important? Because there's a lot of options out in stores like big boxes that are paneling that's not necessarily the right stuff for what you're trying to do. Okay, the reason we ask you to follow manufacturer's directions is because these panels a lot of times can be sanded and patched, sometimes not. So you're going to have either a do not patch application and directions. How are you fastening the product? For the most part, 1/4-inch pneumatic staples is the way to go, but you can hand nail with ring shanks. And then how are you treating the top of that? Well, the reason why I like the 1/4-inch pneumatics is because they countersink and usually don't have to be patched. Some manufacturers actually allow you to use wood screws to put that product down. When possible, try to avoid that because obviously wood screws are going to hold down on the product, and you'll end up having to patch or mix patch and then spread the whole product. A lot of these wood panels, really you don't want to put patch, which is a water mix, into the ends because they can blow up on you. So keep that in mind. Don't forget, there's a lot of installers out there that just want to mix patch and patch anything and not understand the panels. Now, most of these panels, the manufacturers will ask you to have them acclimated to temperature and humidity, which means on the job site. So there can't be more than a 4% difference between the OSB, the substrate, and the underlayment as far as moisture content. So you guys should have some type of pin meter. This one here, I picked up at a store, reasonably inexpensive, and it's Bluetooth into my phone. So I can actually pin both the wood panel and the OSB and get a reading sent to my phone on what the moisture content is. Very, very important. So for the most part, you're not pulling these out of the warehouse and delivering them the same day and installing them the same day. They normally need about a 48-hour or 72-hour leeway as far as getting acclimated to the job. Okay. The other thing is, most of these manufacturers are going to tell you that if this little piece of paneling I have was an actual 4x8, you'd actually want to start fastening from one side to the other and never 4-corner fasten these because it locks in pressure and you can have the end joints blowing up on you later on. So you're actually, for the most part, a lot of these will have X's on them. You're going to install your fasteners in a fan kind of configuration going up from one side to the other. That's the best way to do it. Always butt together the factory edges. Most of the manufacturers will like a light butting and usually some kind of sanding on the edges, but again, that's up to the manufacturer. So, basically that's what you're looking for with 1/4-inch plywood. Usually floor covering manufacturers are not making many more recommendations than what we just talked about. A good resource for that would be the CFI Surface Prep Resource Guide. Talks about the things that we're talking about as far as 1/4-inch plywood is concerned. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. I'm Joe Sia. We'll see you next time.
For questions, check Congoleum.com anytime or call 609-584-3805. Thanks for watching.